the light was turning off and no one knows what to do. My name is Tania. I am from Ivano-Frankivsk, but currently I live in Cambridge. I'm doing recruiter business with my team, and now we are trying to survive due to war. It was first month hard. As Ukrainian entrepreneur in UK, I face with a lot of challenges, and now we need a lot of support. I participate in first webinar. It was very interesting. I had 2 meetings with my coach. He is super nice. We find this connection and we make a plan for us for next 6 months. And I have big hope for this program. With this knowledge, I hope after our victory, I will back to Ukraine and we will rebuild our country and become more better with this support.